Hello, friends. Did you ever imagine that a day would come when all of us, whenever we go out of our house, will be wearing a mask? Some of you might say yes, because the pollution has been increasing day by day. But most of us would have never thought about something like this until this COVID 19 pandemic came into existence. And today we are facing a time where each and every time when we are going out, the mask has been become a integral part of our life. So let us know little bit about this mask, which we are compulsorily wearing day in and day out now. Now, when exactly do we need to wear a mask? Now, according to the original guidelines given by the World Health Organization, any person who was suspected or was having a COVID 19 infection was only supposed to be wearing this mask. But now, since the number of cases are increasing day by day and there are a lot of asymptomatic patients also, so it has become very mandatory for all of us to compulsorily wear a mask so that we can protect ourselves when we are coming in contact with various people at different walks of life. Other than that, any person who is taking care of a patient who is suspected or already positive of COVID 19 infection need to be wearing a mask. Any person who is having symptoms like coughing and sneezing need to be wearing a mask so that he is not passing on the disease to somebody else. If you are going to a hospital, even if you are healthy, for any particular reason, you need to be compulsorily wearing masks so that you don't get exposed to the viral load which might be there in the hospital. And also, if you are venturing out into public places where there are a lot of crowds, it is mandatory for you to be wearing masks at all times. Now, all of us really know how to wear this mask and how to remove it, but still let us just go through the same. Before putting on the mask, you need to compulsorily wash your hands with a liquid soap and water or with an alcohol based hand sanitizer. The mask has to be put on the face area covering the mouth and the nose, and it has to be snugly fitting so that there are no gaps kept. And you have to tie the mask on the back side, or the elastics have to be put over the ears so that it fits properly at one particular place. You should compulsorily be avoiding touching the mask again and again multiple times on the front side, because that is the area where the bacterial or the viral load can be very high. So the microorganisms present on the surface of the mask can be transmitted onto your hands, and subsequently you might be taking the same virus into your nose and the mouth. Having accidentally touched those areas for any particular reason, you need to immediately sanitize your hands with soap and water or with alcohol based hand sanitizers. Whenever you are removing the mask, you need to compulsorily remove it from the back side without touching the front area, and you have to very responsibly dispose those masks by putting them into plastic covers and then putting it into the dustbins, rather than just simply disposing off into the dustbins. If you do that, you are always, there is a likely chance that you are spreading the infection, because these masks can act as carriers for transmission of the disease. So my dear friends, please be very responsible whenever you are disposing the mask, and also please avoid the front area of over the nose and the mouth to be touched again and again, because people who are not used to wearing masks generally have a tendency to keep on touching those areas even while they are speaking to somebody else, or to keep on adjusting the mask according to their comfort. So kindly choose a mask which is comfortable to you rather than just trying to adjust it again and again. Now let us see which are the various types of mask and which is the one which is suitable for you. The surgical or the disposable mask or the 3-ply masks are the ones which are commonly used by medical professionals when they are interacting with patients. General public who has a cough and cold or he is going out can also use these 3-ply or disposable mask, but these are strictly disposable masks to be used for a single use and immediately disposed of in a responsible manner. The N95 masks have become very popular now, and they are available at various price ranges, but those need not be worn by everyone and anyone. They need to be worn only by infected patients and healthcare workers who are taking care of them. And N95 masks can be very costly for you, and unnecessarily there is no point investing your money in buying these N95 masks. Also, these masks, since they are very thick in nature and they might be very tightly fitting, you might be inhaling the carbon dioxide again and again. So kindly don't venture into buying these N95 masks. And also, because of the high demand, lot of N95, different varieties of N95 masks are available in the market now. So there is a big question mark as far as the quality which is available at the even at the high price which you are paying. The best ones would be the homemade or fabric masks, which can be easily made at home. The advantage of these masks that they are washable and can be used multiple times. So friends, please don't invest in buying costly masks like N95 unnecessarily. Homemade simple cloth based masks of a thicker varieties can be very helpful. They can be comfortably fitting for you, and it would really serve its purpose. So please stick on to these kind of masks. Now, when not to wear the mask? Many times I see in the morning that the senior citizens or even the youngsters, when they are going out for their early morning walks and jogging, they are wearing masks. Now, during these activities, when there is an exertion or any physical activities where you are doing sports activities, there is a high demand of oxygen from your body. At these times, if you are wearing masks on your nose, there is always the possibility of you inhaling the exhaled air which is full of carbon dioxide, and the oxygen supply to your body will be reduced. The oxygen requirement by the body will be fulfilled only by a higher load on your heart. So kindly don't wear masks during these early morning exertional sports like activities. Kindly keep yourself away from the crowd during these movements rather than trying to wear mask and going in a crowd. Also, when you're alone, say for example you are traveling in your car where you are alone or only with a family member, you need not really use a mask, because those are the times we are not exposed to any outside person who might be a suspected carrier. So only when you are in crowded areas you need to be wearing masks, or when you are going outside. So within your own premise or your own car, you need not be really wearing the mask at all times. Maintaining a social distance is an important thing which all of us need to do, rather than just depending on any kind of mask which we are wearing. Going out solo is required, and keeping yourself away from the crowd unless it is deemed necessary is the requirements. Thereby, please follow that rather than depending on the mask to do all the precaution for you. Thus, this was a small attempt from us to make you understand about the types of masks, when to use and when not to use these masks, and how to dispose of these masks. So let us pledge that we will use these masks in a proper manner and dispose them off in a responsible way, thereby leading a healthy, happy life. Thank you very much.